How to connect Shopify with AliExpress. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can connect Shopify with AliExpress. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now, there is no inherent way to go ahead and connect these two. You have to use a third-party application. And there is no AliExpress application within the Shopify App Store. In order to do that, you need to go ahead and install a application known as Deezers or CJ Dropshipping. What they do is they will allow you to import different products from AliExpress into your Shopify store. So that is one way that you can do that, and that is one way that you can import products into your Shopify store through AliExpress. Even Temu as well. It works both on Temu. So what you need to do is go over into the app section right here, right? Click on app section and you might find it right here. As you can see, I've already installed it, but if you don't see it right here, just search for Deezers, or what you can do, just search for Deezers and then click on it and it'll open up the entire app store in another tab, and you will find it right here. So this is the application that I was talking about, Deezer's AliExpress application. It's a very simple, very easy to use application. And this one as well, CJ Dropshipping, if you want to use that, you can use that as well. So first of all, you will need to create an account on AliExpress. And once you've done that, you can install the application and then you can connect them as well. So let me actually go ahead and uninstall this application and show you how to go ahead and connect these two. So where is it? All right, I've uninstalled the application. Now we're going to go ahead and install it. And of course, as I said before, make sure to create an account on AliExpress. Otherwise, you will have to do it later and it's just a hassle. Make sure you create an account over here and as well as on Deezers as well. So now we're going to go ahead and install it. Click on install button right here. And over here, are you sure you want to, use the currently logged in Deezers account? This is the current account that I had bind. If you don't have an account, it will tell you to create an account and you can create that account as well. But since I've already created it, I'm just simply going to click on confirm. And here we go. So now our store is automatically connected because I had already done that. If yours didn't, it'll tell you to create an account and then you will create an account and it'll automatically link your store to it. So now that we've done that, next step was to go ahead and connect our AliExpress account, but I've already done that as well since, I'm already using it. So how that works is all you got to do is just make sure you log into your account. It will tell you to authorize AliExpress or Deezers, and you just click on the authorize button and your account will be connected. Now, once it's connected, you can go ahead and import your products. Now, there are two ways that you can do it. One is you either import the products that are appearing over here. These are some of the trending products within AliExpress right now. Or number two is you find a product in AliExpress and what you do is just copy the link. So for example, let's say this dress, right? This dress right here, we want to copy it into our AliExpress account. So what we'll do is we'll open up the dress in another tab, copy the link over here, go back into Deezers, and here in find suppliers, or actually click on Supplier Optimizer and then just paste the link over here. What this will do is it will go ahead and find the best suppliers available for a cheaper rate and for a more reliability. So here you go. So as you can see, it's a very similar product to the one that we have. It's actually the same product. And right here, we can see how many sales they got, their reliability score as well. So we want to look for a number that is higher, like this one, and has a good reliability store as well. So let's go ahead and click on sales number. So this one was the highest one. So this is the one that we're going to use. We're going to click on it, or we'll just simply click on the add to import button. It's going to add it into our import list. It says it was imported successfully. Let's go ahead and check it out. And here is the product itself. So here is the product that we imported. Now, in order to, transfer it into our store, we click on this button right here called push to store. We click on it. It's gonna to which store. This is the store currently that we have. We're gonna click on it, and down below you have preferences. Here you can go ahead and select whichever you want. Push all images to online store, manual pricing update, auto pricing update if you want. This feature is not yet enabled in settings, so we'll leave it at that. And this one as well. Only push product specifications, set product status as draft. And you can select all the sales channels as well. We'll select shop channels and all of that. This is not really a sales channel, but we'll do it as well. We'll pick all of them and then we'll just simply click on push to store. Right here, you can see all of the details. We can change some of the details later. So we now click on push to store, give it a couple of seconds and we'll move on. Right here, you can see the progress bar. There we go. It's imported. Now what we can do is we can come back over here onto our store, go into product, And here is the product itself, as you can see right here. And now all that's left for us to do is to edit the product, like change the name of the product because it's way too long. Change some of the specifications or details if you want to. I think we'll leave it at that. Then you have the color and the sizes, and you have the variants as well, and you can change the pricings over here. So over here you can change the pricing, the sizes as well, and also you can see how it would look like once it appears on the search. So what we'll do is we'll change it right here. So this says that it's a two-piece casual, one neck off, shoulder long. It's a quilted suit, right? I don't know how to pronounce that. So what we'll do is I'll say over here, two-piece casual quilted suit. All right. And instead of autumn elegant fashion print women's suit, we'll just say women's two-piece casual clute suit, like that. And then we'll save it. I think this looks much better right here, as you can see. And over here in the description, we'll leave it at that because that's the size chart and all of that. And then we'll be good to go. And now, as you can see, it's available as well. It's active already. Let me see, where did it go? Sort by updated or created. There we go, newest first. So here we go. So this is how it looks like. Looks pretty good. And this is how we can import other products into our store as well. Now you can use other applications, as I said before, like for example, CJ dropshipping is a good application to use when importing different applications or different products into your Shopify store. So you can use this as well. It works exactly the same way as Deezer's works. So you won't have to worry about that. Same procedure, find the product and just copy the link and import it, and you are good to go. You can do it with the CJ dropshipping, or you can even do it with Zen dropshipping as well. It's also pretty good. Though I would just prefer going with either Deezer's because it's absolutely free and it gives you most features that other products or other applications give for paid users. So keep that in mind. But yeah, after that, you should be good to go and you can import different products into your store. So there you go. So that's how you do it. That is how you connect your Shopify store with your AliExpress account. So having said that, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or come across any problem whatsoever, then let me know in the comment sections down below and I'll be sure to help you out in any way I can as soon as possible. And also, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the bell notification as you'll get notifications every time we post a new video. Your support to the channel means a lot, and also share this video with your friends and family members if they enjoy this type of content and would like to know how to make money online, or just simply want to know how a particular software or website works. We post these types of videos daily, so you don't have to worry about running out of content. You will get new content every single day, so don't worry about it. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.